How to remove read only on Word document. Hey guys, this is Lucy with another tutorial, and today I am going to show you how to remove read only option in Word document. So first you need to go to a Word file, and then you need to click on File and click on Save As. Here you need to click on Browse, and here there's an option called Tools. Click on the drop down menu and go to General Options. You need to remove the check icon from Read Only Recommended, then click on OK. And now you can save your Word file, and that's how you remove read only on Word document. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more tutorial videos. Meet you guys in the next video.